Hey guys, welcome back to my vlog channel. Woohoo! We got some rain finally after 3 weeks of drought. Why the bad boy hold me? After 3 weeks of drought, we got some rain. Watch it again, hold me again. Alright, so I have not been over here because, as you know, I have been so busy on my next channel trying to move the mother of 9 in with Mr. Hamilton, with Archibald. But guys, I came over here today and I'm so happy to show you what has happened, how the farm has progressed since the last video I posted. Alright, so where is the pumpkin that was here? Is it still there? There was a pumpkin here, but I don't know what happened to it. It seemed like something ate it. See it here, it dry. It just dry and drop off. I guess the drought. Because of the drought, this pumpkin just dry up and drop. It also looks like because of the heavy rains and because it was dry, the rain just beat it off. That's how it looks. Alright, so sweet potato, healthy, fluffy, so ready to reap. And we have the cocoa here. We have another pumpkin here. Alright, let's see. Alright, so these corn has not started to burst as yet, you know, because we weren't getting any rain for a while. Some burst, some didn't burst. Have the okra here still, but wow, look at this. Look at the carrots. The carrots are really doing well. Look at that. Lovely carrot field. Oh my god. We'll have carrots in no time. Look at these corns. Look how they're growing fast. Alright, let's go over the next side now and check on the string beans, the dashins, and the pineapples down here. Be careful not to step on the carrot. Alright, these sweet potatoes are looking good. Corns. And so the banana tree and the plantain trees have catch off too. And the corns are growing so fast. They're really growing fast. And I'm glad that the pineapple got some water, because it really needed some water. And those pineapples down there are looking good as well. Alright. Whoa, look how big the okras are. These ones really need to transplant. Some of them want transplant the. Yeah, okra and more okra, but they need to transplant. Haven't been over here in a while. Oh wow, look at my baby. My baby is getting so big. Oh yes. Thank God the pumpkin is still intact. Cassava, sweet cassava, and the corns here, and this side will catch off. More sweet cassava and corns, little dashins. That's a dashin coming up. Really want to see the string beans. Okay. Okay. Some of these, I think they need some sunlight now for them to start burst. Okay. Alright. String beans them look good. Wow, look at the string beans. String beans. Boy, almost dropped. More string beans. String beans over here again. Nice. So the string beans are growing now. And worms are eating the leaves of the string beans. Oh. These are turnips, you know? Yeah. These are turnips. Some of them are eggplants as well. But they take long. It look more like eggplant? Yeah. I think it was mostly eggplants, but a few turnips too. Yeah, guys, so we had a 3-week drought. No water for 3 weeks. So the farm was really suffering, and you know, as I said, I was quite busy, so I haven't been over here much. But you know, I wanted you guys to get an update, and we still have not caught that rabbit, but I think the rabbit is easing off the carrot somewhat, right? Yeah, I think the rabbit is easing off the carrot somewhat. So me rush him. Oh Lord. I think I need to apologize to the sweet potato for staying away for so long. I'm sorry, sweet potato, for staying away for so long. You know them sweet potato you ready up here, so? You ready for digging? You know? For the hill them bust up. My gosh. Wow. So it's a beautiful day. I didn't even show you guys how that side of the land clean up nicely. Rasta did a really good job. That's Cowboy. He did a really good job cleaning up that side of the land, I can tell you. Very clean. I'd drop a house over there right now. Yeah, we're gonna build up a little shed as well. And when we're over here, we can cook. We don't have to be going back and forth, you know. Alright, so yes, these plants that I planted the other day, they're doing very well. I don't even know the name of these flowers, you know. No, that one is Gold, and this is a sage bush. I remember the name of this leathery leaf one. Gold. So, your little flowers, you know, it's not doing too bad. The sage bushes start to spring up again. Yeah, these are all blooming. Desert rose looking pretty. That's looking good. And the lighty tree is looking so healthy. Yeah. And lychee. And the rasta. Oh, the rasta is looking good. Rasta is looking good. And this is my sunflowers. And this is the Irish potato. in the plant bags. So Irish potato look good and healthy. One and few little holes from insect bites, but other than that the leaves are looking healthy, green and shiny, and it's all organic. I only spray it with a little bit of dishwashing liquid and a little bit of cooking oil to keep away the insects, and it is looking healthy. And I spray it also with a liquid organic fertilizer. For some reason, because I'm a bit stuffy, my voice sounds like it's amplifying in my head. Okay. This tree is a mystery tree. Still trying to figure this one out. I know over here is eggplants. I transplanted 2 strawberries. This is one of them, and this is the pot that is gonna be growing in. This is a white strawberry, and this is another one. Oh. It's also a white strawberry. So it's interesting to see when these start to put on fruits what they look like. But this is not my, I don't think this is my last update for 2021. So you'll hear from me again. If not, Happy New Year when it comes. Keep on liking, keep on watching the videos and sharing the videos. Alright? So thank you guys so much for watching my vlog channel. And it's bye for now.